How to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. First, launch open your Trust Wallet app and get inside your wallet. To get started, from the main homepage, tap the buy button at the top and look for Solana in the token list. If you don't find it there, you can simply search for Solana by typing it into the search box. Now select Sol or Solana from the list. Here, enter the amount you're willing to spend for this purchase. For example, here I'm gonna buy $100 worth Solana. If you type in 100, the amount of Solana you'll be receiving will be displayed right underneath. Select your third-party provider and then, once you have the best rate for the day, tap the next button at the bottom in order to purchase Solana on Trust Wallet. Once you've finished your purchase, you'll receive Solana right on your wallet. Well, that is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.